Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you something really special. The new Honey Toon mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if you enjoy this kind of content, remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss future updates. So, let's get straight into it. Right here you can see Honey Toon running on my device, completely normal at first. But when I tap the little gear icon on the screen, the mod menu opens up. This is where the magic happens. The main feature is unlimited coins, which is super useful because it lets you progress instantly without waiting. I'll activate it now, and as you can see, the coins jump to the maximum amount. It's really that simple, and it works flawlessly, but that's not the only thing this mod can do. The menu also includes extra tweaks to customize Honey Toon even more, making the game easier and more fun to play. Everything works smoothly, and you can turn features on and off anytime through the same gear icon. Now, let me quickly show you how to get this mod for yourself. Open any browser on your device. I'm using Safari here. And go to appheaven.top. Once you're on the site, you can either scroll through or use the search bar to find Honey Toon mod. Tap on it, then go ahead and install it directly. The process is very simple, and if you need any help, there are extra instructions available right on the site that you can follow step by step. That's it. Now you can enjoy Honey Toon with unlimited coins and all the extra features. Thanks for watching, and if this mod works for you, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.